I'm just joking, man. It's alright. Holy shit.
Yeah, when he was following us, and when next thing we know, we look back, he goes, got in, I got out, back up. Yeah, I thought I seen the orange lights back there.
Yeah.
I just remember him riding behind us. Yeah. Well, I mean, I called the front office and talked to the lady. She said we're going to send some in the evaluation.
Fucking DJ's Razor had a fuel vent problem, and we caught it, and fuck, dude, we let it chill out and everything, and then he was back riding back to camp, or riding back to his truck to fuck, dude. Damn it, that sucks. That's a fucking shit ending. No.
Who's the owner?
He's up there.
Is everybody okay?
Yeah. I mean, physically they're all right. He's pretty emotionally upset about it. Jeez, man, that was a stuck vent line. Something got clogged in the vent line. We caught it and we were just trying to make it back to camp. That's a 14 high lifter right there. Man.
He doesn't have insurance, dude.
No way.
He just took it off.
Oh, fucking.
Yeah.
What a guy.
After he paid it off, he fucking took it.
I mean, this ain't no sweat for him, but financially, like, he'll be all right.
It still sucks.
Yeah.
15 years.
At least.
Probably not gonna stand next to that tire. Just saying.
Fuck, dude, that sucks.
Fucking went up, didn't it?
Here, or hold it right underneath. Or hold it underneath here.
Where? Couldn't have been the Chevy.
So in that fire, he's got a 22 Chevy 2500.
Yeah.
And the key fob is somewhere in this melted aluminum. So it's locked and he won't be able to start it. We're gonna go try to see if we can start it or what. It's a fucking push button. Wish us luck. I'm videoing.
I'm gonna video this shit. If this bastard works.
No.
Come on. Come on.
I really had faith
Yeah,
that
man.
was gonna work.
Really wanted to. I had faith.
Hey, can you open this or no? Nope. Everything's locked. Fuck. Well, that sucks, man. So, what do you guys want to do or want us to do?
You can leave it there. I mean,
If you guys are cool. All right, so this is the new unit, KRX 1000, made by Kawasaki, and this thing is pretty nice. I think you got it used. I don't remember what he paid for it, maybe 21 or something like that, 20 something. It's like a year old, but what'd you pay for this? Like 21?
20,500.
25, and it's a year old, 2 years old.
Yeah, it's 2021, and it had 45 miles.
Yeah, so this thing is pretty nice. I think if I bought another side-by-side, this is what I would get. I mean, there was nothing wrong with his razor, but obviously it's fucking toast now. I fit pretty comfy in here, and I'm a giant fat monster. So the razor, you're shoulder to shoulder with the person next to you. This one, you got a little bit more room width-wise, but height, leg room, everything is tons more room. Storage capacity, look, like that just don't exist in a razor. I don't know about the newer turbo ones. I don't think it does. But tons of leg room. Seats are tons of headroom. This is a custom cage by DFW ATV. We are having a little fitment issues with it, but not a big deal. We'll get that taken care of. We're trying to squeeze it right here. Mess that up. But yeah, I like this one way better than the Razor. And you said it's got like way better
Factory gearing.
Yeah. All that shit. I heard it's like a mountain goat.
It is.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. So that other Razor that burnt down earlier in the video, that thing's toast. No insurance, so that sucked. Hey, you got a fire extinguisher now?
Yeah, first thing I bought for that.
So there you go, folks. Keep a fire extinguisher on you. All right, so I ain't got no riding videos of this yet, but we will. Anyhow, check out these Kawasaki's out. They're pretty nice. Everybody that has one, they rave about them, and I think I like them quite a bit. If I get a new one, that's what this will be. I don't even mind the green or nothing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff.